Yeah, yeah. Diamond Gang TV. Travel mode on the beam. Travel mode on the beam. Yeah, pagod sa biyahe, stress sa city. Gusto ko pahinga somewhere pretty. Check ko phone ko, mabilis lang. Agoda app, one click lang. Kasama mo ang Diamond Gang. Mag-book ka na sa Agoda.
What's good in the neighborhood of Japan? Tokyo. Dito kami sa Tamachi Station. 10 a.m. at waiting kami kay Boss Kai at mamamasyal daw kami. Ipag-shopping niya daw kami. Hindi ko alam. Baka mamasyal lang. Yung shopping, medyo 50-50 tayo dyan. Pero hindi tayo pagagastusin nun, syempre. Kaya tayo ng masarap. Mamaya naman, ewan ko kung tuloy ang dinner namin, i-utas na, syempre. Naririnig niyo ba? At hindi ko dala yung aking DJI at punong-puno siya. Punong-puno siya ng mga old videos na hindi ma-edit-edit. So anyway, waiting tayo. Di malamig ba? Yeah, malamig naman.
7 degrees lang.
7 degrees. Ayan, kayang-kaya natin yan mga Pilipino. Siyempre, matitigas tayo eh. Kumakain nga tayo ng yelo eh, di ba? Nilalagyan nga natin ng birang yelo eh, di ba? Paano sa atin yun? Yung gantong ano, pero kasi yung minus kasi, oo. Ang nakaraan, nag-snow. Pero tulog kami, syempre. O pagising namin, moist na moist yung window, ano namin, sa hotel. Kaya, ang ulan pa ng snow kasi parang Saturday pa. Baka hindi na kami aabot kasi busy eh. We need to go back to, reality. So, ayun guys, I'll be back.
Ding na ding ding. Sure. Ooh, wow. Ding ding ding. It's shaking. Sure, nag-play kayo hindi din. It's Boss Sky car. Hybrid, oh. It's going to spin? Okay.
Diba? Parang unicorn. Ma-hybrid pala to. Corona filler. Pero hindi nakamagso. Simple lang na.
Iba rin yung dala niya dati, di ba? Oh. Ay.
Okay na, sir. Back.
Hello guys, welcome back. Nandito kami sa Tokyo Sky Tree. And kakain muna kami kasi anong oras na? Hindi ko alam pa anong oras. Wait. Ayan guys. Naghanap kami ng makakainan kasi it's already 12 noon. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Tokyo Sky Tree. And then, looking for restaurant. Pero, pupunta kami mamaya dyan. Sa mga yan. Yan. Souvenir shop. KitKat. Hi, welcome back guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa 5th floor, ay 6th floor. Magla-lunch kami sa The Platinum Buffet Restaurant. So dito yan sa Skytree. Yan. So buffet siya. First time lang namin mag-buffet dito. And papakita ko sa inyo, pwede natin pagpilian ng mga pagkain. So, ayan yung mga pagpapilian natin. Magiging 2,748 yung per head. Meron silang roast pork, pizza, crepe, may pasta din dito, at marami pang iba. So, we will check it out. So, ayan. Meron maraming dessert and salad, side dishes, may curry. So, ayan. Nasarap ng pizza and pasta. Ito, favorite ko rin to. Masarap din to. So, ito syempre ang favorite kong cream puff. Ayan. So, let's go guys. Tikman na natin. Dito siyan lang sa Platinum, The Platinum Buffet Restaurant. Thank you, Boss Kai. So, ayan guys. Meron tayong mga pizza. May 4 cheese with walnuts. Sausage and potato pizza. Seafood Genovese pizza. Kung ano man yan. So, ayan. So, ang pasta nila 4. Ang pizza 5. So, may mga choices of vegetable din. Chicken. For the kids, yung potato wedges and chicken yata. Fish and chips. And then, meron silang rich macaroni and chicken gratin. So this one is chicken and vegetables too in coconut milk. And syempre yung seafood seasoned with salt. Para siyang canton. Syempre ang Indonesian fried rice nila with hindi ko mabasa. Bouillabaisse and omelette with demi-glaze sauce. Okay? Ha? So, may pho sila. And then on the side, dessert. Pwede nga magpagawa ng crepe, ice cream. And then you can put toppings, mga sauce. Then, nandito ang mga fruits. May shiratama, mandarin, lychee, agar jelly, orange, and macadamia. Ito yung iba't ibang dessert nila. May warabi mochi, cream puff, chocolate mousse with berry sauce, sweet potato, apple custard crumble. Sarap. Tiramisu with matcha. Sarap guys. May para silang leche flan. Ito, rich pudding ang tawag nila dito. Ayan. So, itatry natin lahat yan.
Guys, kain tayo. First time namin mag-buffet dito sa Japan.
So, ayan. Nandito na sa salad and vegetable section. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Mga appetizer lahat to. Wow, ang sarap. May soup din. Clam chowder. Clam chowder. Ito yung roast pork nila. Konti na lang. Butter chicken curry. Let me see. It's butter chicken. And then your rice. And then toppings. So, ayun, meron silang coffee and tea, and drinks. Siyempre, meron silang Pepsi, ginger ale. Parang ito, melon soda yata to. Ayan. Merong jasmine tea, grapefruit flavor. Yan. So, lahat yan kasama doon. So, guys, we will just enjoy our lunch for today. So, ayan guys, yung mga kinuha ko. Kumuha ko ng pizza, yung dalawang klase. Pasta, ito, tsaka ang sarap nito, hindi ko lang matandaan kung anong pangalan. Ito yung egg, okra, rice. Then, ang sarap ng kimchi dito sa Japan. Not so salty. And yung kanilang ito, hindi ko lang kung pork yata to. Ano nga to? Roasted pork?
Roasted pork pala.
Oo. Yan. Tapos may egg. Ito, clam chowder.
Clam yan?
Kumuha ko lang konti-konti para lahat matitikman ko eh.
Sarap.
Ayun guys, kain muna kami. Si Asher nakapag-dessert na oh. Sarap ng clam chowder. Konti lang kinuha ko para titikman ko lang muna. So ayun guys, kain muna kami. Ayan guys, dessert time na tayo. At syempre, hindi natin palalagpasin. Tikman ang bawat dessert na meron sila. So ito may matcha, apple, chocolate, then chiffon. Ay, hindi pala ito cheesecake daw nila to eh. Kasi ito yung parang mochi something.
May favorite ng bata ko, favorite ko yan.
And then parang leche flan. Tapos syempre yung favorite ko naman itong cream puff, and then meron silang strawberry chiffon. So ayan, test. Try, ano kayang masarap muna itatry? Dati yung hindi muna medyo matamis. Try muna natin tong cheesecake. Tama nga, hindi siya matamis. Sarap. Ang sarap. Nagustuhan ni Didi. Kasi hindi
Ito,
siya
favorite ko to eh.
matamis.
Punta ko pa sa Japan, bata pa
mochi.
kami. Makain na kami nito. Tapos ano na coffee.
Sarap.
Ano? Cream puff.
Cream puff. Masarap ka siya. Ayun lang, basta pagka-cream puff niya.
Hindi siya yung ganong matamis.
Hindi ganong matamis. Yung gusto ko kasi may cream puff yung may caramel, yun yung sanay ako. So ito, sa mga hindi masyado mahilig sa matamis.
Pasok. Si Asher, naubos niya na rin. Cream puff niya.
Itong leche flan, parang flan nila.
Pudding.
Pudding pala tawag nila. Malambot yung creamy yung pagka-ano niya, pagka-lasang niya. Pero,
It's a matcha.
kamukha lang siya ng leche flan, pero magkaiba siya.
Pero yung texture niya, ano?
Smooth.
Smooth.
Natutulog
super
ka
smooth.
agad, parang gano'n. Ayan. Tapos yung caramel nung sa taas. hindi
Caramelize
matamis.
siya. Okay.
So, ito naman,
Strawberry?
strawberry.
Ang ano lang ng mga slice nila yan.
Malalasama yung strawberry. Malambot yung cake. And then, masarap.
Wandot pala sa likod si Jason eh. Wandot pala si Iglo sa likod eh.
Ito naman, try natin. Ang meron sa matcha, pero ito try ko.
Matcha cake. With ano yan, may something yan. Anong lasa? Tikman ko.
Maintindihan kasi hindi ako matcha lover, but maintindihan ng mga matcha lover yan. Mga gusto. Masarap naman siya. Hindi
Masarap.
matapang.
Kaso puro cream yung nakuha ko.
Change ako. Ito ako sa apple naman. Tatry ko apple.
Apple pie.
Apple pie.
told me that it's good.
Apple pie is good.
Okay yung apple pie niya dahil dun sa
Crust nung ano,
Oh.
Oo, yung crust niya.
Ito na gusto ko.
Papasarap. Okay.
gusto ko siya.
Okay. Ito.
Kahit hindi ako
Nagustuhan mo
nakain ng
tong
apple.
sabi ko sa'yo. Masarap, di ba?
Kumakain na ako ito. Mahap to.
Mm.
Hindi siya matamis.
Mm.
Hindi rin siya
Mochi.
walang lasa. Kasi nasa
Mid level siya. Ano yan?
Ito daw may chocolate. Mahal ko na kayo.
Pupi-pupu.
Chocolate. Basta. Napaka-cheesecake to. Chocolate cheesecake. Chocolate mousse.
Choco mousse. Okay. Sarap naman.
Sarap. Mukha lang hindi, pero masarap.
Anong loob niya? Wala lang mousse lang talaga totally.
Meron siyang ano yung kulang.
Mm.
Kaya. Raspberry yata to.
Raspberry.
Pero ang sarap niya. Masarap to guys. Overall, ang lahat ng pinaka-nagustuhan ko ay yung itong apple pie na crust, tapos yung chocolate mousse. Yun. Tsaka yung cheesecake. Masarap.
Cheesecake, yan ang ano mo.
Yan.
Ako rin yung cheesecake masarap.
Masarap.
Mori na ito. Dito kami dalawa sa
Oh, what's that? 6-banded armadillo. Ay, armadillo siya, oh. That's guinea. Kawaii. Oh. Uy, my baby jump. Oh, he will jump, Char.
Yun o.
Eh.
He said that this is more. Feed. Feed. Oh, it's a guinea pig. Okay guys, let's go.
Asher, look.
Huh?
He's eating.
Swimming pool.
Okay naman siya.
Share mo malikot ah. Yan si Capybara din.
Finally, we saw capybara. But Asher got scared at the back.
No, do not video it. It might.
They might get angry. Hello. He's taking a shower, a bathtub.
Food for them.
Oh. What kind of animal is that?
How about the
It's
tuka?
kind of mouse.
Mouse?
Yeah, capybara is also a type of mouse.
Oh, I thought it's
How about the tuka? What do you eat it?
No.
Only this.
Oh.
Is
Are
it?
are they nice?
Yeah, but they get scared easily, so we have to be like so quiet
Oh, okay.
and slow.
Oh, it's
They
big.
don't bite?
They don't bite.
Mm.
Can I
Yeah.
You can touch, but you're scared. I know.
how about the hamster back?
Huh?
Hamster.
Which one?
The one over there.
Oh, you want to touch?
Yeah.
If they're awake, it's okay.
Ah, if they're awake.
They might be sleeping.
Mm. scared show.
Mommy, just look behind you.
Ano to? Ay! Wow! Look!
Mommy, look behind you.
So,
There's a surprise behind you.
You know in the Harry Potter?
oh my God po. Merong ano.
Slot. It's a slot.
Mamaya umano sa atin.
Hindi yan.
Hindi yan.
Baka bagay yan eh. Hindi
Ay, ganun ba? Sige.
They are nice.
Kaya palang tagal pumasok eh.
Distract them. My God, it's fat.
Oh my God. They're here.
Sure, don't try.
Take me to the rabbits. Please, let me go back to the rabbits. Very good. Well, be quiet. That's scary.
Mom, good job, Ashwin. Wow.
Okay? No. Tickle. It tickle me. Now next is the last one.
The rabbit.
The rabbit?
Can you touch the rabbit ba?
No. It's a warning. Baby, we need to ask permission first. Who did you want? Something else. What is the others that we can also touch?
You can read it in the ano.
But it's still sleeping eh.
So, ayan guys. Bibili muna kami ng ticket for Tokyo Sky Tree. So, ano na lang siya. Machine na din. Pwede credit card, cash, or anything. Ayan. So, Monday ngayon, kaya wala masyadong pila. Mabilis lang ang pag-purchase. So, tara guys. So, ayan guys. Pipila tayo dito. 15 seconds daw.
Donkeyari, Haru, Natsu, Aki, Fuyu wo arimashite ori. Kochira wa Fuyu elevator desu. Thank you for waiting everyone and welcome to Tokyo Sky Tree today. This elevator design is inspired by spring, summer, autumn, and winter in Japan. It takes 50 seconds to go to Temple Tech floor. Tomba ticket holder will be the transfer elevator. Unless the Temple Galaxy. It's a winter design.
Next up is the Tokyo Skytree Temple Deck. Door 350. Welcome and フロア3号1に到着いたします。ドアが開
Ang
きま
bilis
す。
daw.
指など挟まれないようにご注意ください。
Ang galing. Nandito po kami sa Tempo Deck. 350 meters. Wow! Wow! First time namin to, guys. This is the Wish ribbon. You know, nag-review si Asher, guys, dito. Makikita ni Asher dito yung pinaka-zoom. Pwede niyang i-move yan papunta doon. Or dito, zoom in. Yan. So, guys. So, may mga fear of height. Diyan. Mawawala.
Oo, pero ito ba nakaano ako? Nakaapak ako.
Kausap niya sa office.
350 floor.
$360 meter yata to eh. You know, abot.
Meter lang, 350 floor.
Ganon.
Grabe yun. Diba?
So, ito tayo, guys. So, mapapa-thank you, Lord, ka sa mga experience na ganito, guys. Sana someday makarating din kayo ng Japan at may experience ang ganito kasi walang ganito sa atin sa Pinas. But we're still hoping na maging maganda pa rin yung bansa natin in terms of this kind of experience. So, pwede ka pala magpaano dito, picture. Magkano? 1,500 yen or nasa 600 pesos ang pa-picture. So, ayan. Dito tayo sa kabilang side. Nandun sila sa kabilang side. Actually, napakabilis, guys, nung elevator. Hindi mo mararamdaman din yung pag-angat mo or nasa sobrang taas ka na lugar. Ayan. Ito yung isa sa pinagmamalaki talaga at pinupuntahan ng mga turista dito sa Japan, sa Tokyo especially. Ayan. So, I hope guys na-enjoy nyo kung ano yung na-enjoy namin na pwede makita dito sa Tokyo. So, ang daming tao kahit Monday. So, ayan.
Sumo. Lalayo-layo.
Ganda na, sa may dagat na yun.
Sumo. Saan mo gusto yung pinakamalayo mo? Ano?
iPhone 17.
Your schedule today. This Rebecca takes you to through 445 Temple Galleria in about 30 seconds. Thank you for your attention.
30
Please take a moment.
seconds.
エレベーター到着までもう少々お待ちください。それでは大変お待たせいたしました。Sorry to keep you waiting. 足元お気をつけてエレベーターご乗車お願いします。ありがとうございます。You can see skytrains inside the structure from the ground ceiling. こちらエレベーター一番奥ガラスの天井を見上げていただくとスカイツリーの内部構造をご覧いただけます。Yes, please. Yes, please. 閉まる扉も同じくガラス張りです。扉からはお外の景色を楽しみいただけます。You can see outside of your home the door. それでは扉閉まります。Thank you very much. Have a great time. いってらっしゃいませ。
Name of our adventure.
We're on the top, guys. Wow! Just the same feeling lang din. Nakakilabot, guys. Kala mo matatakot ka, pero hindi naman. Walang kagalaw-galaw yung elevator. Napakaganda. Photo spot, waiting line. Ito pala yung ano, magandang spot daw, oh. Photo spot, oh. Yan na yun. Ay, hindi pala. Ito yan. Pwede magpa-picture ng free. Ay, bakit na pala to? Wow! Grabe.
Grabe nakakatakot sa taas. Ginawa. Sa mata ko may nakikita ko naglalaro doon. Dito sa video. Zoom natin ha. Kita ko sa inyo yung nakikita ko.
Bakit tayo, guys?
Uy na. Ano na gusto?
Dito daw sa place na to, ang makikita na ay Edo Tokyo Museum, Tobu Hotel. Yan. Yokohama Landmark. Kita dito. Doon para papunta ng... Ay, oo nga. Kita nga yung Yokohama. Galing. May kilabutan ako, guys. This is once in a lifetime experience. Sa ilang beses na namin pagpunta ng Japan. Ngayon lang kami pumunta dito. Ay, may pataas pa pala. Ah, sure. Ah, yun.
My job is to go to the top of the whole tower for everyone. You're watching. I just finally say that I have moved here.
So, this time naman guys, pupunta kami naman ng Sumida Aquarium. So, Asher requested this trip. Tour pala, tour. So, magkano kaya yan? Isa sa kanina doon sa Skytree, almost 12,000 yen yung binayaran ni Boss Kai. Ito, magkano kaya kaming apat? It's 8,700 yen. So, ayan. Thanks to our sponsor. Bango ng amoy. Hindi amoy dagat, char. Amoy refreshing. Marerelax ka dito. So guys, try this one.
We're in an aquarium and I'm gonna see the seals.
Isang ganda dito guys, huwag napadpad kayo dito sa Skytree. Yan, meron na rin sila dito na yun.
And Asher is gonna vlog.
No, mami lang. Sarap na may ganito sa bahay, no?
Saka talaga na may aquarium. Aquarium na nga tayo ulit sa office. Na, sa labas ng office.
Yan, ang ganito kalaki, oh. Baka makaswimming pa sila.
Hirap linisin yan.
Baka mag-swimming sila. Nawala na yung dalawa. Wow! Ito talaga yung... Ito yung magandang ano.
Kasi yung sa atin, wala
Hindi ka madi-disappoint. My gosh. Sulit na sulit guys ang bayad nyo dito. Napakaganda guys. Dito sa kabilang side, pink. Pink naman. Grabe. Pero what can you say?
Good, wait. Let's go somewhere more special.
You wait. Don't touch ha. Daming klase, no?
I'm gonna show you something. You can video if you want. Follow me.
Wait!
Mommy, you can go off.
Grabe. Yun lang masasabi ko. Napakaganda. Napakadaming jellyfish. Iba't ibang klase.
Go off.
Guys.
Also, look down.
Yeah.
There's a glass below us. They're glowing different colors. They're becoming How did you get? Oh, it's so
Why does the other fish are not scared to the shark?
I don't know. There's sometimes friendly sharks. Not all sharks are dangerous. You not a friendly shark, so they cannot eat the whole economy.
Stingray.
Stingray?
Sure, no? Ayan. Ayan,
Where's
stingray.
Nemo? Are we finding Nemo?
Oh. Hello.
Ito pala oh. Laki oh.
Ay, oo nga, no. Lapu-lapu yan eh.
Pufferfish?
Na.
This guy is staring in our souls. They're popular now, by the way. The
They're now in the
shark.
YouTube.
The shark.
Ayan na guys sa mga penguin. So, swimming daw sila. They're just standing. Ayan na.
Why is it eyes? I mean, why is it rocks instead of eyes?
Because they don't have an eyes.
Yeah, it could just be that.
Not like in an Antarctic.
Things in the penguin's
Arms? Ah, I don't know.
Maybe it's because when they go to the zoo, they like have a number.
Maybe.
That's what they saw in movies of
Elon Asher said this video is for you because he knows you like penguins. Asher requested me to take a video and send it to your mom.
Imagine if they looked at me. Look at Elon, guys.
You have message for Elon?
Yeah, I always see you after your American trip. Because you're the best cousin. Yeah.
See you soon, you say.
See you soon.
Mamaya punta kami dyan kissing booth. Dito na lang daw kami. So lalaro si Bonclan dito.
Don't ever show me your child yet, or else I'll call it.
Sure, alis ka dyan. Pila ka doon kay Didi. Yes, Tokyo Skytree.
Then I use the gun.
Ganda ng flowers, oh. Ganda, oh. Purple. Ito pinipilahan to. Chocolate, strawberry, strawberry syrup. Strawberry daifuku. Ayan, oh. Sarap niyan. Dito naman, mga crepe naman. More on strawberry and love something sila dyan. Na. Try na sila.
Okay, you look in here. Don't touch it in the stove. And then, click. Please, where? Oh, almost again. Hey. Don't click ha, don't click muna. Baka maklik mo. Release, release. Ano yan? Sniper.
Ay, wala. Nadidi na nga.
No. I guess. I watched run videos. Ay.
Didi, last.
Aw.
You have 3 already.
Hmm.
Chamba na lang yan.
Oh, last si Didi kaya.
Down. I already have an idea.
Nako, idea ka pa. Eh, wala din. Ay, wait na, wait.
Give it.
No choice.
Get one. Faster. One only. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Wala kami nakuha, candy lang. Our chef. Ito yung bagong trabaho ni Boss Yuta, oh. Tomato.
This is your new job.
No. Only for this night. Only for this dinner. Yeah. And then tomorrow is going to be the top boss.
Ano? Asin? Ah, nasa ilang. Yes, for ano? Ano bang nihongo sa straw?
Straw.
Straw lang.
Rice? Is there any rice?
Tsahan. Sumimasen. Straw wa arimasu ka? Straw. Ah, ay. Hi. Arigato. Perfect. Yuta Ramsey.
I don't like hot food.
Napalapit tayo.
Put some sauce.
Ay, ito pala yung straw masyad. Mix the, ano. Okay na yan. Nothing cheese. 3 minutes din ang inabot ng ano. Pero hindi pa siya pwedeng kainin.
Cannot eat it.
Yeah, not yet.
Can I order some?
Yeah, you wait for ano other order.